What's up, guys? Happy Friday. You made it through the work week. Today we're gonna swap out this fuel pressure regulator with a new one. I'm wondering if something's bad with that one. And then we're gonna get rid of that regular KA style fuel filter down here with a 300ZX one. These ones are actually a little bit larger to hold a lot more fuel. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm actually going to do some testing on this one too, but I'll show you a little more about what I'm testing when we get it off. Alright, so first thing, I'm going to unmount it here. Just get the fuel pressure regulator free. Okay, now I'm just going to pull the vacuum off here. Pull that out of the way there. Okay, and then this here, I'm going to pull the back one off here. Be straight on both of them here. Ready for a little bit of fuel to come out. Okay, you got that one. Of course, that one's a Phillips. So, got the old one out, leaking fuel everywhere here. I'm going to dump the fuel in the oil bin here. Not a whole lot in there. Okay, so what I did with the old one here, and I wanted to know, is if I could take the gauge off one side and swap it to the other, just with where this is sitting. It would have to sit this way, and it had the gauge on this side, so which means it would make it, I would have to mount to the motor, which I don't want to do. I want it to be this side, which then, in return, the gauge would be in the back, and I don't want, so I was just looking to see if I could swap sides, and I can. So we're going to go ahead and take the new one and swap the gauge to the opposite side. Okay, so this one's actually a different barb size. So get a different wrench here. unfortunately, that's not going to work. These two both have different thread patterns, so pipe thread, metric thread. It's really stupid how that works, but it is what it is, right? Alright, now before we get too deep here in the rabbit hole, let's go ahead and get this fuel filter off. Alright, now just so you guys can kind of see the difference between the two filters. This is the KASR. This is the 300ZX. Quite a bit bigger. That's your inlet. That's your outlet. So let's go ahead and get this in. See how I did just do a blow test on that old one, and that one has nowhere near the flow that it's supposed to have. So let's go ahead and get this one in, tightened up, and get that regulator on. My whole garage just reeks like fuel right now. Alright, so the new filter is in. Yeah. Alright, well, sorry for the jump cut all the way to the end here, but the old SD card took a crap, so I had to run and go get another one. So I'm hoping, if you've seen a video, I didn't lose any of the footage. But I went back and forth adjusting the fuel pressure, trying to get a consistent number without it bouncing all over. I got it to sit at 14.8, pretty consistent. It'd flash at 14.9 real quick and then come right back. I'm running about 38 psi. And like I said, like I showed in that video, you're going to want to, when you're adjusting your fuel pressure, here, loosen this nut, which is 14, with an Allen head, and that'll adjust and raise or lower your fuel pressure, and you're going to want to do that with a vacuum off. So, and kind of seeing how this went, your line's coming in, and then it's out into your rail here for your filter, and the regulator goes from back here to the rail, and then here goes back. Now, like I said, I'm going to consider it fixed as of now. We won't officially know till we get it out and drive it around. I mean, I like the mount a whole lot better than how I had it, not being mounted on the engine there. Having it mounted like that kind of keeps it from shaking and rattling all over the place, so I hope that works, and I hope everything stays good there. The old filter did have some stuff in it. Don't know how long it's been in there, how long it's been dirty. Old regulator looks a little beat. But yeah, these are cheap regulators. This one's another cheap one. So, but as of now, I'm going to consider it fixed. We'll take it on the road. We'll see how it is, and I'll make sure I update you guys. While you're watching this, we're actually heading out as a family. We're heading to the in-laws, my in-laws, and we're gonna Kyra can see Grandma, and we're gonna hit up an amusement park on Saturday. So Hopefully maybe late Saturday night I'll take this out and beat on it. Otherwise it'll be on Sunday. So till next time, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and keep on sliding.